Okay, here's an update for everyone on my Bitcoin prediction that I made yesterday. I did a video showing Bitcoin when it was still around 71 or 72,000. Today, it went towards $67,000, and the warning I gave about the price dropping even further has now come true. Now, the reason why I was able to do this is because I do specialize in technical analysis, chart analysis, and pattern recognition. This is something I do every week in my crypto bootcamp service. I'm very good at it. I was able to spot the wave 4 of the Elliott wave pattern on the Bitcoin chart, and the blue range that we were bouncing in, which we're going to look at shortly, we breached the bottom of it, and now we fell through, which is what I felt was going to happen. So in my video the other day, I showed this chart. This is something I put together showing the 5-wave Elliott wave pattern that I believe we have in place. I showed that we were coming out of wave 4. I've been warning my members for weeks that we would go into wave 5 soon. And now I believe we have gone into wave 5. And you could see the chart showing that Bitcoin was still well over 70,000 when I pointed this out to everyone. This is a zoomed in photo, so you can see the other day when I posted the chart, we were just at the bottom of this blue range, wave 4, and I warned that once we breach this pattern and we have a close below the blue range, now this leads to a further move down. And if we get a second candle closing before the blue range, that is a confirmation candle that we will continue to head lower in the coming weeks. Now this is a new chart for today, fully updated, and you can see that we went towards 67,000, 66,000, and you could see that my warning came true. You see the first red candle that went below my blue range. It was confirmed and closed below the blue range, and I warned that if this happens, we are very likely to start heading a lot lower, and that's exactly what happened today. We had a very exaggerated move. I saw this coming the whole time. I was not fooled by the rally into the 80s recently where Bitcoin went over 80,000. And I'm glad that I got to warn my crypto bootcamp members about it. And I'm glad that I got to warn all of you about it earlier this week as well, in advance of the huge move down that we had today. Hopefully you appreciate the chart analysis, the insights, and the warnings I gave you here. I do this every week live in my crypto bootcamp service with members, and I do a 1 or 1.5 hour video every week. I post a recording to a private group. I go over stocks, cryptos, gold, chart analysis. Head over to my website for more information, investlikemike.com. Click the store page, get more information, sign up now, and reserve your spot for the Crypto Bootcamp. I'm Invest Like Mike, and we'll see you on the next one.